Driving my boat and I see a white buoy floating and it says swim area. What does that tell me as a boater?
Next time.
Ah! Get over here, fish. Ah! Marcus.
All right, Marcus, what are you going to catch when you get out there? What do you want to catch?
Big bass. Who goes first?
Whoever.
Okay, my name is Isabel, and I want to catch a lionfish. Are you smart? And I'm 10.
My name is Kasi. I'm 10 and I like to catch a dolphin fish.
Nice. Well, I hope you catch both of them out there, okay?
I want to catch like a 10 one.
All right.
But you gotta kill those fishies.
No, you don't. You can catch them and put them right back. But really loud, okay? Go ahead.
Hi, my name is Maria Diaz and I'm 9 years old and the fish I caught is backyard bass.
And what are you going to catch tomorrow?
A butterfly.
Nice. Good job.
Hello, my name is Christley and I'm 10 years old and tomorrow I'm going fishing and I really want to catch a really good fish.
What kind?
Probably a tuna fish.
Tuna fish. Nice. And what did you learn in the classroom so far?
I learned the safety rules and how to take out hooks from somebody.
Good job.
I'm Alex and I'm 10 years old.
What do you want to catch, Alex?
Dolphin.
Dolphin?
Fish.
Dolphin fish. Okay. All right. You going to catch it?
Yeah.
When are you going out?
Tomorrow.
Nice. Have fun. Good job.